Hello and welcome to the environmental science portion of Explore SDSU. My name is Dr. John Love and I'm the advisor for the environmental science major. It's great that you're interested in this major because it is a true science major. The reason why that is valuable is because people who are looking to hire our students, such as environmental consulting companies, government agencies at the state and federal levels, possible internships, maybe graduate school, they are looking for students with strong science backgrounds, and that's what the environmental science major at SDSU provides, a true science-based degree. The environmental science major at SDSU is also a true interdisciplinary major in that our students take courses from departments all across the university. In fact, the environmental science major is administered through the Geology Department, and I'm actually a professor in the Chemistry and Biochemistry Department.
To learn more about the environmental science major and the associated courses, simply Google SDSU Catalog, click on the link shown here, which will take you right to the SDSU Catalog. You can explore the catalog to learn more about the environmental science courses or anything associated with SDSU. I'm going to use this 2-page PDF file to describe the major as it nicely summarizes the different courses all of our environmental science students take while completing their degree.
Scroll down and let's take a look at this paragraph in the lower left-hand corner. These are the courses that will prepare you for taking the upper division level courses associated with the environmental science major, the courses that will prepare you for a career in environmental science. And here we can see that you take courses such as Environmental Science 100, a full year of biology courses, introductory chemistry and geography, as well as some calculus and a full year of physics courses. After you complete the preparation for major courses, you'll then start taking the upper division level courses shown in this paragraph on the right. And again, you can see that these courses come from departments from all over the university. What I'd like to draw your attention to here is the course titled Environmental Science 498A and 498B. This is the capstone research course that students typically take in their senior year. This course teaches students how to identify an environmental issue, how to ask questions about that issue, how to design experiments to get answers to your questions, how to interpret the results of your experiments, and how to disseminate your findings to peers in your research field. The research students engage in for this course normally is done under the guidance of an SDSU faculty member. What follows are brief descriptions of different SDSU faculty members with whom our environmental science students have had great interactions with and have been very successful undertaking undergraduate research. You might also choose to work under the guidance of Dr. Jillian Maloney, who is also a professor in the Geology Department. Here we can see that she combines geophysical data, including seismic reflection, multi-beam bathymetry, and side-scan sonar with sediment analysis to study a number of geological research topics. You can read about these topics on her website or email Dr. Maloney directly to ask about possible research projects. Professor Trent Biggs has very successfully mentored many of our environmental science students in the past. He's a member of the SDSU Geography Department, and he and his students study the impacts of land use on hydrology, water quality, and sediment. Please plan to explore his website if you are interested in his research program. If you are interested in any of the following series of faculty research descriptions, I encourage you to stop the presentation, jot down their names, and go to their websites to learn more about their research programs. Finally, my involvement in the environmental science major is as the program advisor and with an ongoing project known as Sola, which is an urban agriculture project. You can get to this website by searching for Sola SDSU. This project is funded by the U.S. Department of Agriculture and is a collaboration between myself, Professor Cheng-Chi Liu from the Department of Exercise and Nutritional Sciences, he's an expert in edible insects, and Dr. Ramona Perez, who's a professor of anthropology and director of the Center for Latin American Studies. Sola is an ongoing project in which our students first planned and built urban agriculture facilities such as our still under construction greenhouses, which are currently being used for growing vegetables hydroponically. Students devised and built raised grow beds where we grow vegetables using indigenous Mixtec methods such as the Milpa Three Sisters, where corn, beans, and squash are grown synergistically. We obtained, put together, and maintain an active beehive, which has already supplied us with a pretty decent amount of honey. The students also planned, built, and maintain an active chicken coop, We have 10 chickens, which all get standard chicken feed, but one group of 5 has their diet enhanced with live insects. The overall goal of this project is to teach our students how to scientifically and rigorously characterize the biochemical and nutritional quality of all the vegetables, honey, and chicken eggs that are produced through our students' efforts. For the future, we are planning a hydroponic system that will be incorporated into our aquaponic system, in which we use the nitrogenous waste from the fish as fertilizer for the hydroponically grown vegetables. If you would like to learn anything else about any of these projects, I can be reached at the email shown here, jlove@sdsu.edu.